We've got to get going faster and faster and not remain behind. We've got to find ways of integrating the rail infrastructure with these industrial parks in the zoning of the city plans. We are fortunate enough that we could do an industrial city of 1,000 acres because we had the historical land. But for somebody else to pull together that much land, ensure it, with the external infrastructure, external connectivity, all of that part, it's gotten better, but it still is some ways away. So I think that in continued support for companies that want to set up these larger industrial parks and then partner with a J to do a joint development, and then they create the boxes. I think that is the kind of challenge that has to be overcome on the developer side, the master planner side, to then work with the ESRs and the others of the world. So to me, that's the second challenge that I see, which can be better. And the third is, I think we need better integration in the long run with the infrastructure external. So historically, we've always been behind in infrastructure. If as Anshul says, we're going to see this crazy demand of e-commerce and warehousing from that, all those trucks are going to be, creating that much more stress on the road infrastructure. We've got to get going faster and faster and not remain behind. We've got to find ways of integrating the rail infrastructure with these industrial parks in the zoning of the city plans. I think there is more work to be done on that side to take a longer view, because otherwise we will again choke ourselves because we will not have the infrastructure to support both the industrial and the warehousing demand.